This is me healing a type of shoe that's older than time, meaning few years old, something like that. Over there are my friends, right there. See them? Yeah. They are going to watch me heely down this pathetic hill. Let's just hope I don't hit a rock, eh? And goddammit, there's a car. Let's go look at the creek, you. Why don't we? That's nasty. I bet my voice sounds majestic as fuck. And Anna is screaming for no apparent reason. And now Tessa is talking to herself. Go. Walk faster. Christ. I don't want to stop. Not that fast.
So you want to cut fast.
They see me rolling. They're hating. That old guy is jogging like a really weirdo. Oh, look at the dogs.